So I got a package today and it is from Shopzoki. And if you guys don't already know, I make content for them on their socials. They're on TikTok, YouTube, and I believe Instagram. I'll have them tagged in the video. They are releasing a new blueberry cow. So let's take a first look at this. First up, the slippers. Oh my gosh! These are adorable. They're like the UGG slippers with the strap on the back. And it's like a plush on your foot. Look at these. And I just realized they unzip. They unzip and have this gel pack so you can slide them in and keep your feet warm, or you could probably even freeze these and keep your feet cold. These are so cute. Next up, this has been highly anticipated by the Shopzoki fan base, and it is the blueberry cow. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this shade of blue so much. And then with the cow plushie, you get the heart. It's a blue heart insert. I didn't know there was gonna be a blue insert for the blue cow. And then if you haven't seen already on their content, they introduced another heating pack that you can buy separately. It's a grumpy stomach. It's so cute. You can get all this cute stuff at shopzoki.com. I'll have them tagged like I said before. Serotonin overload.